This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Tina Pritchett. This 3-bedroom traditional home is ideal for investors with a great long-term rental history. All large rooms, living/dining room combo, separate laundry room, 1-car attached garage, level and fenced yard, very close to downtown restaurants, shopping and entertainment. Some updates are needed but not required. Price to sell as is. Currently occupied by tenant and shown by appointment only. For more information, review the details below or contact Tina Pritchett at 706-889-7298.